What's up, guys? So we're at our second stop now. This is the baked brie, and then this, I always get suckered into buying this. There's only one specific type of like lemon meringue I like, but I always see it and go, ooh, lemon meringue, and forget and buy it. And then I got a wine slushie.
It's supposed to just be cheese, but I think there's something else in there.
The strike is almost over.
It's not almost over, it's out over.
The brie is pretty good. The lemon meringue is surprisingly better than I thought it was gonna be. This is just sweet to me.
If it was icy, then maybe.
And there's a weird like taste at the end that's slightly almost like medicine-y to me.